हर हर महादेव दोस्तों, this is the Madragi village, Chudguppa Taluk, Bidar district, Karnataka, and this is the old ancient temple of Shiva temple, which is ruined. The totally out temple situated at the outer skirt of the village, nearly 2 kilometers away from the village. It is situated in the in between of the farmland, where you can see the cultivated the sugarcane, greenery with beautiful nature surrounding. Especially in Bidar district, almost all temples are located in the prime locations. Even this temple is also located at the prime location of the village. See the temple. The outer skirt of the outer biti part has been totally ruined. See, and might be that this is redstone. Redstone has been renovated patches by the local villagers. Might be 200-300 before years back. See, this is the outer part of the temple. Totally has ruined the biti part. No more nothing left up in the biti part. And the so many ruined parts has been laying down surrounding of the temples. Even you can see the here garbhagras, door panels, or we can say the door jambs. See the beautiful door patikas with the door palakas and chamaradharas. And this is the ceiling, or we can say vitana. In Kannada we can say Nabika Chanda or Bhuvneshwari. As per seeing the temple architecture, this is the Kalyana Chalakas, almost at the early stage of Kalyana Chalakas temple. It has been in small size of the temple, as like the same nearby the one Baneli village is there. Same as like the same temple, same architecture and same size. Nothing, no more anything, no more anything difference of the boat. But the Baneli is also nearby this area. On this area, almost 7-8 kilometers, every village has some old temple of the Kalyana Chalakas, which almost has been ruined. Might be some villagers has we can get some ruined parts of the like Nandi, Mahishasura, these type of things. The locals called it as Malkan Devar, means Malana Devar. In North Karnataka, we can see several temples as like Ramling temple, Malana temple, these kind of things. Even locals here called it as Malkana temple. Or else we can say in villagers Hale Degul. They can say where they're located of the temple. Just go the inside. Actually, this is the three Garbhagras temple. That is the main scantum. This is the main scantum of the temple. See, there is a Shivlinga with the door panel of the Garbhagraha, where you can see the Dwarpalakas and Chamradharas. There is no lalata, anything not having carved. The simple carving of the door panel. Antaral Bhag has been one beautiful panel of the Saptamadrikas. We can see. And in ceiling is there beautiful carving of the lotus. And this part of Garbhagriha has been totally ruined. And the Garbhagriha's door panel has been laying down here. See. And the ceiling also laying down there. And that part of Garbhagriha is we can see door panel of the Garbhagriha. Both sides Deva Kostakas. And this is the main entrance of the temple. Having three Garbhagrahas with one Rangamandapa is there, or we can say Navaranga also. In Bidar area, so many temples are laying down like same way, ruined way. In the Bidar part, Yadgiri and Kalburgi, same reason. No one take care of it. The even Esavil people also does not care of all those things. The temple direction of east face, the Navaranga with beautiful ceiling of lotus. And this is the beautiful surrounding nature of the temple. And ruined, but it still remains as the beautiful way. The outer part of Bitti, totally ruined. Bidar people will near anyway, people will come for the Madragi and see this beautiful temple. Nearby, just location of even the Rampur is also nearby, just 15 kilometers is there, 18 kilometers from here to the Madragi. Even Banali is also nearly 15 kilometers from the Madragi. Muttangi has also one ancient temple. Might be they had left one door panel, I think. Now after this Madragi, I am going for the Muttangi. So bye guys, Har Har Mahadev, मिलेंगे सब.